Good morning class. As we have completed first paragraph of the chapter number 3, Robinson Crusoe. We have completed introduction part and first paragraph. As you know, Robinson Crusoe is the name of a novel, and this is a small part of this novel, and it is written by Daniel Defoe and is very famous novelist. And this Robinson Crusoe, this novel is the first great English novel. So class, as we know, Robinson with his 3 or 4 friends traveling with his friend, but because of the storm, they forgot their route, and the high waves dash down their boat, and then they clamber means jump into a small boat and try to row to the shore. 4 of us managed to get the boat into the sea, and we jumped into it. We rowed with all our might means with power, but the wave were like mountain means very strong and very high. We struggled on means faced the storm with very powerfully, but the storm was very strong like mountain. But at last a gigantic wave greater than all the others hurled our little boat into the air, and it sank beneath us means डूबना. I am good swimmer, and for an hour and a half I battled in the stormy sea. Battle means fight with. As I caught sight of a coast means shore or sea, a huge wave would lift me up and carry me out to the sea again means बार बार लहर आ रही थी और जा रही थी, उसको बार बार सी शोर पे ले आ रही थी और बाद में फिर सी की ओर लेके जा रही थी. Again and again I tried to reach the shore. Again and again I was thrown away by the raging sea wave. At last I was hurled toward the shore and fell down, exhausted on the sand. Exhausted means बहुत ही वीक फील कर रहा था वो. Now the means he was very tired. The night was dark without a star in the sky, and I knew that laying on the sand would be dangerous means it will be dangerous lay on the sea shore. I crawled means जैसे बच्चे चलते हैं ना वैसे ही. Crawled away from the sea as fast as I could and came to some bushes and tree. I didn't know what wild animal were there would be in the forest, so I climbed up on the trees and made myself comfortable between 2 great branches. There I slept the night as well as I could means वो उसको डेंजरस एनिमल्स का डर था वहाँ पे, तो उसने ही क्लाइंब अप ऑन अ ट्री एंड बिटवीन 2 ब्रांच वो अपने आप को सेट कर लेते हैं और वहीं पे वो सो जाते हैं. In the morning I looked out across the sea, and there was our ship a quarter of a mile away from the shore. I came down the tree and found a stream. Stream means a small tributary of a river, where I drank some of cool fresh water. I lay down and slept again. After drinking the water, he again slept. The sun was high in the sky means it was after noon. When I woke up, I resolved to go out to ship means he decided to go out to find out his ship and try to bring back some things which would be useful to me on the island. So class, this is enough for today. Rest part of the chapter I will explain tomorrow. What you have to write, you have to just learn these word meaning.